Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make a face mask. I am making two size face masks, one for adult and for kids. You can see this face mask covers all the face and you can put the nose pin also so that it will fix a whole face. You can make adjustment according to the requirements. For that, let's get started. First of all, cut out the four pieces using the template. I have made this template. If you need it, please let me know in the comment box below. And I am making it a two-way face mask. So this is the white cloth and one is printed cloth. Sew it like shown in the video, the curvy part, and this is the base thing for our mask is ready. So like same, stitch the another cotton cloth also, both are stitched. And now open them up and put them like correct sides are facing each other and wrong sides are able to be seen. See, adjust it correctly and open it perfectly. I use this cloth which were at my home. So this is the cotton, white one is a cotton handkerchief, and this is the hair tie of uh, this is the hair tie. I will use it as a ear holder, and we have to put it like this. Open the we have to keep this elastic band in between two clothes, and it must be inside of the cloth. If you forget to connect it like this, then you can connect it later also, but this is the best step so that it will be sturdy, and this mask will be uh, strong. So we have to stitch all over the border. Just keep little bit part open so that we can make it inside out. So you can see the placement of the elastic and stitch it like this on the sides, and here we have stitched it. This is how it looks. You can see the little bit part I have not stitched, so we will take it out, use that part to make the face mask inside out. uh, be gentle while doing this step, otherwise the stitch we have given, it can break and our face mask can damage. See, take it out. And now there is a big step. If you want to put the nose wire, then you can make it put it on the correct place and stitch first there, and then you can do the another stitching. So if you need, you can iron it so that it will hold its correct shape. You can put little cuts inside so that the corners will be sharp. The opening, first of all, stitch the opening so that it will be sealed. But before sealing, you can put the nose wire inside and then stitch it. See, I have done one more border, and this is how our mask is ready. it is looking very nice and its fitting is perfect. If any problem is there in the fitting, then you can stitch a little bit on the sides, because according to the face it can change, so we can always adjust it according to us. I have stitched a mask like this so that my it will fit to my daughter's face. Otherwise you can adjust here also. So do try this, and yeah, be safe, be at home. Bye bye.